Bifrost. Today is Christmas! So what better occasion to share with you my favorite Christmas recipe, gingerbread cookies. But since I already made this year's gingerbread house into a Millennium Falcon, I decided to make some gingerbread Wookies. Let's bake. What you will need to make these yummy creatures is 300 grams of butter, 3 deciliters of dark syrup, also known as molasses, 300 grams of sugar, 1 kilo of flour, 2 teaspoons of pepper, half a teaspoon of cloves, 2 teaspoons of ginger, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 eggs, and 4 teaspoons of baking soda. Mix butter, sugar, and syrup in a saucepan and heat it on low heat until it's all combined and melted together. Take it off the plate and let cool until it thickens a bit. Pour the mixture into a stand mixer and add the spices one by one. Pepper, cloves, ginger, and cinnamon. Mix until combined and add the 2 eggs before mixing together again. Then add the baking soda and slowly add the flour in small batches while mixing together. When the dough is finished and not sticky anymore, wrap it in plastic and place it in the fridge for at least 1 hour or overnight. When the dough has cooled, knead the dough soft again on a flat surface with the help of some extra flour. Then take a rolling pin and roll the dough out to about 3 millimeters of thickness. To make the Wookies, I used a regular gingerbread man cookie cutter to cut out enough shapes to fill my baking tray lined with parchment paper. Then set the oven on 175 degrees Celsius. While waiting for the oven, it's time to make the Wookiee fur. Simply take a fork and start going wild, but also careful, making random stripes as fur on all the gingerbread men. Bake the cookies for about 10 minutes and let them cool completely on a cooling rack. Decorating time! To make the icing, I mixed 1 egg white, a tiny drop of vanilla, and a bunch of powdered sugar until the wanted consistency. Then from there you just adjust it with powdered sugar and water. I only needed 2 colors for the Wookies, white and black. I started making sort of a heart shape on the face for the nose with the black icing. Then 2 little dots for the eyes, and a wide stripe going from the hip to the shoulder for the ammo belt. With the white icing, I made a little smile on his face and also a bunch of opposite dots for the ammo on the belt. Then you just have to wait for the icing to set until it's dry, and then you will have your own little army of gingerbread Wookies ready to be snacked on. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please put a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming content. And if you do happen to like my cosplays and other creations as well, you can follow me on any of these medias, or all of them if you want to be on the nice list. Until next time, bye!